Welcome to Zebo Academy, a place where math meets data science. Unlock the power of numbers, logic, data, and code all in one place.
Hello math fans, welcome again to this channel. In this video we are still looking at substitutions, but with more intriguing operations that will help level your functions knowledge. Watch along as we substitute correctly and accurately. So we are being given f of x and we need to find f of 9z and f of z squared minus 2z. Our first problem is f of 9z. So here we shall substitute 9z into our function. So f of 9z is going to be equal to the square root of, where there is x we shall put 9z. So it will be 1 minus 9z squared. This is the same as square root of 1 minus 81z squared. Next problem is f of z squared minus 2z. We shall still do the same. We shall still substitute z squared minus 2z into our function. So f of z squared minus 2z is equal to the square root of 1 minus z squared minus, this is 2z squared. So this is the same as 1 minus z squared into z squared minus 2z minus 2z into z squared minus 2z. So we can simplify that. This becomes square root of 1 minus z to the power 4 minus 2 z cubed minus 2 z cubed plus 4 z squared. This can be simplified further to square root of 1 minus, can collect like terms. This is z to the power 4 minus 4 z cubed plus 4 z squared. Next step, we can now multiply our negative with what is inside the bracket. So it will be 1 minus z to the power 4 plus 4 z cubed minus 4 z squared. So I hope you're learning something. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're finding this helpful. So next step, we can rearrange this. So we shall have 1 minus 4z squared plus 4z cubed minus z to the power 4, and that is our answer. So lovely viewers, you can try out f of ax plus b and drop your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe please and like the video. See you in my next video. Thank you.